Hi, welcome to Maths classes. Let's solve question number 1 in exercise 5.1 chapter Arithmetic Progressions class 10 NCERT Maths. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? They have given us a situation. Based on the situation we should form the list of numbers and then we should check whether the list of numbers are in arithmetic progression or not. The situation given is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means we should form a list of numbers for what? For taxi fare after each kilometer. For this we should form the list of numbers. They have given us for the first kilometer the taxi fare is 15 rupees. And for the subsequent, that means for the additional kilometer, for each additional kilometer will be charged rupees 8 extra. So based on the situation, let's solve the question. So here they have given taxi fare for 1 kilometer. For 1 kilometer, what is the taxi fare? It is 15 rupees. Now, taxi fare for 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers means what? 1 plus 1. That means for the first kilometer, the taxi fare is fixed, that is 15 rupees. For the next kilometer, that is 1 kilometer additional, taxi fare will be 8 rupees extra. 15 plus 8, we get 23 rupees. Next, taxi fare for 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers means 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometers. For first kilometer it is 15 rupees. For you have additional 2 kilometers. So 2 into 8 rupees. So you get 15 plus 16. That is 31 rupees. Now let's form the list. What is the list? That's form the list for what? List for taxi fare after each kilometer. So after first kilometer taxi fare is 15 rupees. For 2 kilometers it is 23 rupees. For 3 kilometers it is 31 rupees and so on. Now we should check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. This is the first term, 15 rupees. This is the second term. This is the third term. To find whether the given list is in arithmetic progression or not, what should we do? Yes, we should find the difference between the numbers in the list. So, difference between second number and first number, we should find this. So, second number is 23, first number is 15. 23 minus 15, we get 8. Now, what should we do? Difference between third number and second number of the list. We get D3 minus D2, that is 31 minus 23. You get 8 again. So if you observe, the difference is same here. D2 minus D1, that is difference between second number and first number of the list is 8 rupee 8, and the difference between third number and second number is also 8. So difference is same. Difference is same. Difference between the numbers in the list is same. So what can we tell? We got common difference. So difference is common. So the list is in arithmetic progression. The given situation helped us to form a list which is in arithmetic progression. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. This situation is given. So, vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air present in the cylinder. So, first let's consider the amount of air present in the cylinder as 16 liters. Let amount of air present in cylinder is 16 liters. Why did we assume 16 liters? Because every time we are removing 1/4 of the air. 1 by 4 of the air present in the cylinder. Here, if this air present, if it is multiple of 4, then cancellation will be easy. 1 by 4 of 16, 4, 4, 16, like that you can cancel easily. If you take number as 1 by 4 of 9 liters, cancellation will be difficult, right? That's why cancellation will be difficult. So we are taking multiple of 4. So we assume the amount of air present in the cylinder is 16 liters. So each time the cylinder removes how much? 1/4 of the air. So amount of air removed. How much? 1/4 of the amount of air present. 16 liters is present now. So it will remove 1/4. So how many liters? 4 liters is left. So now again amount of air present is, after removing, how much it will remove? 4 liters it will remove. So amount of air present is what? Initially it is 16. It will remove 4 liters. So 12 liters will be present. Now again what it will do? Again 1/4 of the air is removed. So amount of air removed, every time it will remove 1/4 of the air present. Vacuum pump will remove 1/4 of the air. So 1/4 into 12. So 4 ones, 4 threes. Now it will remove 3 liters. So now what is the amount of air present? Amount of air present is what? Before removal it is 12 liters. It removed 3 liters. So 12 minus 3. What do you get? 9 liters. Now, what is the list of numbers formed? We should form the list for what? Amount of air present in the cylinder. Initially it is 16 liters. So 16, comma. Next, after removing 4 liters it is 12. They are asking for amount of air present in the cylinder. For this, we should make the list. After 12 liters, 3 liters is removed. So 9 liters will be present. And so on. Okay. We should check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that, what we should see? We should check difference between the numbers. This is first number, this is second number, this is third number. So let's check the difference. Difference between second number and first number. It is 12 minus 16. You get minus 4. Let's find the difference between third number and second number in the list. It is 9 minus 12. You get minus 3. If you observe, the difference here is between second and first number, the difference is minus 4, and between third and second number, difference is minus 3. Difference is not common. Difference is not common. That is, difference is not same here. So you can tell that. So list is not in arithmetic progression. List is not in arithmetic progression. So the given situation does not help us to make an arithmetic progression. List is not in arithmetic progression. This is the answer. Next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So we need to form a list of numbers for what? Cost of digging the well after every meter. For the cost of digging, we should make a list, and then we should check whether the list is in arithmetic progression or not. They have given the cost for digging first meter is 150 rupees. After that, for each subsequent meter, it is rupees 50. Let's form the list first. Now, cost of digging 1 meter. It is what? Rupees 150. Now cost of digging 2 meters. 2 meters means what? 1 plus 1. That means 150 rupees for first meter. After that, for each subsequent meter it is 50 rupees. So 150. After that, for the next meter it is 50 rupees. So 150 plus 50, it is 200 rupees. Next, cost of digging 3 meters. So 1 meter plus 2 meter. For the first meter it is 150 rupees. For the next subsequent meters it is 50 rupees each. 2 meters extra. So 2 into 50. 150 plus 100. It will be rupees 250. Now let us frame the list of numbers. List of what? Cost of digging the well after every meter. So after the first meter the cost is 150 rupees. Next, after second meter the cost is 200 rupees, and for 3 meters the cost is 250 rupees, and so on. So we should check whether the list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that, what should you do? We should find the difference between the numbers. This is first number in the list, this is the second number in the list, this is the third number in the list. Let's find the difference. Difference between the second number and the first number. 200 minus 150. It is 50. Now difference between the third number and second number. 250 minus 200. You get 50. So difference is same. Difference is same. So we can tell the list is in arithmetic progression. So the given situation helped us to form a arithmetic progression. Next question. Amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So we should make the list for what? Amount of money present in the account every year. And after that we should check whether that list is in arithmetic progression or not. They have initially deposited 10,000 rupees at compound interest. We know the formula for the amount after compound interest is given. Total amount after T years, if the principal is P and the rate of interest is R, after T years the total amount will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Here R is what? Rate of interest. T is number of years. P is the principal. Here the total amount is what? If compound interest is calculated. If compound interest is given, then the total amount is given by P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Now it is given that rate of interest is what? Compound interest they are giving. The rate of interest is 8%. And principal is what? Principal means the initial amount. Initial amount is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Let's calculate the amount of the first year. Amount of the first year. It will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. This is the formula. Let's substitute. It will get 10,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is R. 8 by 100. 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power t is what? 1 year. So you get 10,000 into 108 by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. You will get 10,000. Now total amount after 2 years. So P principal is what? 10,000 into 1 plus R by 100. 8 by 100. Now 2 years. So whole power 2. You get 10,000. 1 plus 8 by 100 is what? 108 by 100 whole square. So 10,000 into 108. 108 square means 108 by 108 into 100 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. You get 108 into 108. 108 into 108 means 108 square. You can write 108 square means what? 100 plus 8 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square, 100 square, 2ab. 2 into 100 into 8 plus b square. That means 8 square. So 100 square is 10,000. 6 plus 1600 plus 64. What do you get? 11,664. So after 2 years you get 11,664. Next. Total amount after 3 years. When the interest rate is compounded. Total amount after 3 years. Formula is what? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power t. Now P is what? 10,000 rupees into 1 plus, what is a compound interest rate? 8%. So 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power 3. As we are calculating for 3 years. 10,000 into, you get 108 by 100 whole cube. So let's calculate 108 cube. 108 cube. This can be written as what? 100 plus 8 whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus 3ab of a plus b cube. Here a is 100, b is 8. So you get 100 cube plus 3ab. 100 into 3 into 100 into 8 into a plus b means 100 plus 8. It is 108 plus b cube, 8 cube. 100 cube means 1 after you get 6 zeros plus 3 into 100, 300, 8 into 108, 864 plus 8 cube is 512. So 100 plus 300 into 864. What do you get? 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 19, 3 8s are 24, 25. 3 into 864 is this 300. So 00 plus 5 and 2. If we add, what do we get? Here we have 1 digits, 2, 4, 6, 7 digits. Here 6 digits. Let's add 1, 5, 7. Next 9, 5, 2, 1. So we got 12597112. That is 108 cube. So 10,000 into 108 cube. We got 12597112 by 100 cube. 100 cube means 1000000. So 4 zeros and 4 zeros gets cancelled. So 1259712 by 100. That means rupees 12597.12, rupees 12,597.12. So now we got the list of numbers. After first year, the amount is, we got compound interest, so the total amount after first year will be 10,800. After second year it is 11,664, and now after third year the total amount will be 12,597.12. We should check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. This is the first year total amount after first year, after second year, after third year. Let's find the difference. D2 minus D1. 11,664 minus 10,800. So what do we get? We get 864. Now D3 minus D2. 12,597.12 minus 11,664. We get 933.12. If you observe, the difference here and here is not same. That means this list is not in arithmetic progression. So the given situation did not help us to form a arithmetic progression. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.